Hey, 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 welcome back to Chill English Podcast. I'm Emma.
And I'm Michael. And if this is your first time here, welcome to the most relaxed English learning channel on YouTube.
That's right. Here at Chill English Podcast, we keep things simple, real, and super practical. No boring textbooks, no complicated grammar rules, just real English conversations that you can actually use in your everyday life.
Exactly. And today's video is really special. We have 5 real-life conversations for you, all happening in places you go every single day, fast food restaurants and cafes.
These dialogues cover different English levels, from beginner A1 all the way to intermediate and advanced. So no matter where you are in your English journey, there is something here for you.
The dialogues are simple, natural, and super useful. You can pause the video, repeat after us, and practice with a friend. That's the secret to getting fluent fast.
And before we jump in, if you're new here, please hit that red subscribe button right now. It's free, and it helps us keep making content like this for you every week.
And give this video a big thumbs up if you love learning English. It really helps our channel grow. Let's get going.
Okay, are you ready? Let's chill and learn.
Hi, good afternoon. Can I help you?
Hi, yes please. I'd like a burger, please.
Sure. What size would you like? Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please. And can I have fries with that?
Of course. Would you like a drink with your meal?
Yes, a Coke, please. No ice.
No ice. Got it. Is that for here or to go?
To go, please. I'm in a hurry.
No problem. That will be $7.50.
Here you go. Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course. Just tap your card here.
Thank you so much. How long will it take?
Just about 3 to 5 minutes. We'll call your name when it's ready.
Perfect. Oh, one more thing. Can I get some ketchup and napkins, please?
Absolutely. They're right there by the counter. Help yourself.
Great, thank you. You're very helpful.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks. Have a good day.
You too. Take care.
Good morning. Welcome. What can I get started for you today?
Good morning. I'd love a latte, please.
Great choice. What size? We have tall, grande, and venti.
A grande, please. And can I get oat milk instead of regular milk?
Absolutely. Oat milk latte, grande. Would you like any syrup? We have vanilla, caramel, and hazelnut.
Oh, yes, please, vanilla. But just 1 pump. I don't like it too sweet.
1 pump of vanilla. Got it. Would you like it hot or iced?
Hot, please. It's a bit cold outside today.
Ha, I know, right? Okay, and can I get your name for the order?
It's Michael.
Perfect, Michael. Will that be everything, or would you like to add a snack?
Actually, yes. What pastries do you have today?
We have croissants, blueberry muffins, and banana bread, all freshly baked this morning.
A blueberry muffin sounds perfect. I'll take one, please.
Excellent. So that's a grande oat milk latte with 1 pump of vanilla, hot, and 1 blueberry muffin. Anything else?
No, that's everything. How much is it?
Your total is $9.25.
Here's my card. Keep the change.
Oh, thank you so much. We'll have that ready in just a moment. You can wait right over there.
No rush. Take your time. I love this place, by the way. It feels so cozy.
Thank you. That really means a lot. We love having regulars here.
I might become one. Thanks again.
We'd love that. Enjoy your morning, Michael. Excuse me, sorry to bother you, but I think there might be a mistake with my order.
Oh no, I'm sorry to hear that. What seems to be the problem?
I ordered a grilled chicken sandwich, but this is a crispy chicken sandwich. And I also asked for no mayo, but there's mayo on it.
Oh, I sincerely apologize for that. Let me take a look at the receipt. You're absolutely right. It says grilled, no mayo. I'm so sorry about that.
No worries, it happens. Could you fix it for me? I have a dairy allergy, so the mayo is actually a problem for me.
Of course, that's very important. I'll get that corrected right away. We'll make you a fresh grilled chicken sandwich with no mayo. It'll just take about 4 minutes. Is that okay?
That's totally fine. I appreciate it. And the fries I got, are they the right ones? I ordered a large.
Let me check. Oh, those look like medium fries. I'll add a large to your order as well. Again, I'm really sorry for the inconvenience.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate how you're handling this.
Of course, we want to make sure you leave happy.
While you wait, can I offer you a complimentary drink? It's on the house.
Oh, that's very kind of you. I'll take a lemonade if you have it.
We do. One lemonade coming right up. Just give me one moment.
Thank you. You've been very helpful.
I'm glad I could fix it. Here's your lemonade, and your fresh sandwich will be ready in just a moment. I'll bring it right to your table.
That's wonderful. Thank you for going the extra mile.
It's our pleasure. Thank you for your patience and enjoy your meal.
Will do. Thanks again. Michael, hey, the usual?
Oh, yeah, you know me too well. Double espresso, oat milk, no sugar.
Coming right up. Long day already?
You have no idea. I had back-to-back meetings from 8 in the morning. I haven't even had time to eat.
Oh, wow, that's rough. You should grab something to eat. We just got these new avocado toasts in. They're seriously good.
Tempting, but I'm trying to eat lighter this week. Doctor's orders.
Okay, I respect that. But avocado is healthy, just so you know.
Nice try. Okay, maybe just a small one. You win.
Yes, I knew it. So, how's everything going? You seem a bit stressed.
Honestly, a little. We're in the middle of a big project at work and the deadline is Friday. I'm starting to wonder if we're going to pull it off.
You'll get it done. I've seen you come in here looking like that before, and you always figure it out.
Thanks. That actually helps to hear. I think I just need this coffee and a little break.
That's what we're here for. You know, sometimes stepping away from work for 10 minutes actually makes you more productive.
You sound like my therapist.
Free therapy with every coffee. That's our secret menu item. Here's your double espresso, by the way.
Oh, perfect. This smells amazing. You always nail the espresso.
Years of practice, and here's your avocado toast. Enjoy, and good luck with the project.
Thanks, Emma. Honestly, this little stop always makes my day better.
That's exactly why we do this. See you tomorrow?
Are you kidding? I'll probably need 2 espressos by then. See you tomorrow.
Okay, so I've been here before, and I have to say, the menu is seriously impressive. I had a hard time choosing last time, too.
I can see why. There's so much going on. I'm not even sure where to start. Do you go for the plant-based options or the regular stuff?
Honestly, I've been trying to cut back on meat. Not entirely, but I've been experimenting with more plant-based dishes lately. It's partly for health reasons and partly because I've been reading a lot about the environmental impact of the food industry.
Yeah, that's a rabbit hole I went down a while ago. Once you start looking at food sourcing and carbon footprints, it becomes hard to ignore. That said, I still believe in balance. I'm not ready to give up a good burger entirely.
Fair point. And I think that's the key. It doesn't have to be all or nothing. But places like this are great because they give you genuinely good options across the board. This mushroom and lentil bowl, for instance, looks phenomenal.
It does, but I'm eyeing the smoked salmon wrap. Although I notice it says sustainably sourced, which is a good sign. I'm increasingly paying attention to those kinds of labels.
Same here. And honestly, the fact that this place partners with local farms makes a difference. You can kind of taste it. The ingredients feel fresher, more vibrant.
Totally. I had a conversation with a chef last month who said that one of the most underrated aspects of good cooking is simply starting with quality ingredients. The technique matters, but the raw material is everything.
That's so true. And I think there's a growing awareness about that among consumers now. People are asking more questions. Where does this come from? How was it raised? What's in it?
Absolutely, which is actually a bit of a cultural shift if you think about it. 10 years ago, people just ordered whatever looked good on the menu. Now there's a whole ecosystem around conscious eating.
Right. And it's not just a trend anymore. It feels like it's becoming the norm, at least in cities. Anyway, enough philosophizing. Have you made up your mind?
I think I'm going to go for the smoked salmon wrap with a side of sweet potato fries, and maybe split the mushroom bowl with you if you're ordering it.
I love that plan. Let's do it. And I'll grab us some sparkling water. I feel like this meal deserves a proper setup.
Absolutely. You know, I genuinely love these moments. Just good food, good conversation, no rushing anywhere.
Same. This is what Chill English is all about, right? Taking it slow, enjoying the moment, and learning as you go.
Couldn't have said it better myself. Cheers to that.
Cheers. Now let's eat before I change my mind about the menu. And that's a wrap on today's episode of Chill English Podcast. 5 real English conversations, from a simple fast food order all the way to a deep discussion about food and sustainability.
We really hope these dialogues felt natural and useful, because that's the goal, giving you English that works in the real world, not just in a classroom.
Here's a little reminder from us. You don't have to be perfect to speak English. Every single conversation you have, no matter how small, is a step forward. So keep going, keep practicing, and keep showing up for yourself.
Seriously, progress over perfection. Always. And one of the best ways to practice? Repeat these dialogues out loud. Pause the video, play the role of speaker 1 or speaker 2, and make the language yours.
If you enjoyed this video, please leave us a comment below. Tell us, which dialogue was your favorite and which level was most useful for you? We read every single comment.
And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell, and you'll never miss a new episode. We post new content every week.
We also love it when you share this video with a friend who is learning English, because learning together makes everything more fun.
Until next time, stay curious, stay consistent, and most importantly,
Stay chill. See you in the next episode.
bye for now. Take care, everyone.